What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Back again with the Can Am Ryker Shadow Black. So I just got a box in from Slingmods, and to give you a little background, Slingmods sent me an email, told me that they saw the video where I had the accident, and they wanted to reach out to me saying that they felt bad about what happened and sent me a little something to, you know, just to get over being in the accident, not being able to ride for a little while. So shout out to Slingmods, shout out to Kevin, president and CEO of Slingmods, for reaching out to me. Good looking out. Let's do an unboxing and see what they sent me. Alright, so here we go. We got a pedal commander, a hat, Slingmods t-shirt, and a sticker. Thanks a lot, Slingmods. Appreciate you guys looking out, man. Can't wait to see how this works out when I do the install. Here's the pedal commander. It comes in this little box here. It's kind of sunny out. I don't know if y'all guys could see it, but so this is it right here. Let's get rid of that. So inside the box we have the pedal commander, the wires connect to it, a little cleaning cloth, and some zip ties. So I think I have a GoPro mount that'll work for this, so I'm gonna work on seeing what I have so I can mount it on. So we're gonna hook it up and see how it goes down. Alright. I found an old GoPro mount that I had when I was for my helmet. I mount my camera, and I have the pedal commander that I'm gonna mount that to the GoPro mount, and then mount the GoPro mount to the handlebar. So let me take off the panel and access the port, of course, and disconnect the battery. Alright, so to hook up the pedal commander, you got to access the left panel, and there's going to be 3 of these. The problem is, it's better if you unhook these to get access to the 3. These pop out with push pins. The problem is, they tell you to click this and slide this out like that. It's not going to be that easy. I edited it out, but it took me about 15 minutes to wiggle it free. It is in there tight. So once it's out, here's your pedal commander. You're going to reattach those to here, which is pretty simple. It's a reverse hookup from when you took it apart. So there you go, that clips in there. That's going to clip in here. It's going to clip in here. Well, I'll clip it in there. And then we're going to run the pedal all the way up through the panel up to the other side. Pro tip, unclip all of them so you'll have room to pry that apart. Okay, so we have the pedal commander installed. Let's see if it lights up. Yeah, it's going through its cycle, and it's going to stop in city mode because that's what it says it will start at, and then program it and hit it for sport. I'm gonna check it out on Bluetooth, but that's the installation. You can see it's still lit up. It's hard to see, but there you go. So that's the installation of a pedal commander on the Can Am Ryker. The next video, I'm gonna ride with it and tell you how much fun it is.